Wolen tonyati nenna ko me balofa ndon la ko si balofa assalamu alaikum badimulu atumele alon ko alben jibe kanyum temben almele alon ko alminan lamoy la nyato on dalben jibe la nyato do monde kal haklo gonde drong alnal badi malam sirfo sonko aka bayo sonko alne wolbe jankotanke bi ni report me alon ko mba dikala on the 3rd of June June karotli sabo tumala me alon ko UDP delegation wulini delegation me alon ko bitakan polling station me alon ko be Gambia kono kataje pour ka joko registration on be caring abitakan silo me alon ko wala musila kairamati wala atina under the leadership of Talib Ahmed Bensouda ay anadna na ka delegation wulindi ay delegation me wulindi ala assistant o me alon ko wala Mr Ibrahim Dibati o be delegation on kono Mr Karafa Sonko Mr Yaya Sonko commonly known as Karafa Sonko fanambe delegation on kono me alon ko atlem campaign manager ti anala assistant o me alon ko wala oncle Lopi Jambe o fanambe delegation on kono anena commando me alon ko wala Dudu Kasa Jata fanambe kafo kono jang ninte fon konni me alon ko delem sirifo Sonko ti fanambe kafo kono jang bitakan ka futa dulalto ka futa na molma na ejentolu ka joko na ejentolu mon konko ka joko na ejentolu sur na fem dina puriya soto makana ke bulu kolya koti bayrim be yalo na ko UDP mu patio me yalo ko dol we ready ne atra modul ka foko do or die dolo is do and win comme dudu kasadara ka fanyame dolo is do and win dolo na mission mo woleti andon do and win our mission on yin wala nyindu ko amba jela ko whatever tactic memen kala avec la winning tactic lati Gambian ko lu lafta kal be la man yende wala tolu as UDP whatever tactics memen kala is going to be a winning tactics nyaaji ka faale ko winning tactics wala nyindu ko be fero kala avec la fero le fero me alon ko wala be gambe dun na fala ngo win it's not like coming ka foko UDP da mal be win na but Gambia be win na ko mento UDP be wala to what time zero moment wala nyindu ko UDP as a political party manson ka joko luldon le dabul na carte fayo kono andum na jigo ko gambe dum be yo kalam dal ko luldon pour ye dadum de carte fayo kono abe kolo ko kan na banko la nyanto ta ka sunya atare man fen dunda kunto to nyalam luldon mo let mel yalon ko baldi mo lemu si nyol lemudi bayal to la gambe dum tamata nyaaji be gambe fonninke jama bala be jemme yalon ko tamata abe dunya banko dol kan but me yalon ko ko mata jewlo nyundi ko tollew fon lin kol me yalon ko bo dunya bankol kan ni lefta pour ka o bankol la kaydo seto e ka system o noma anno system o me yalon ko e ka noma o system de me yalon ko ak revenue wala maka fengole create to that o banko ni bal ni lefta ka bankol citizenship seto ka apply so ni ba apply once e ka loyal jo so e ka loyal men jo o loyal ni mole me yalon ko e ka jole so wo ka revenue le add into the economy of that very country o banko ni na fangodo aka lafa le kodo anu to me yalon ko fona e ba apply kan ni ga apply fona e ka fees le ka nan ka molo be nan ka mo yalon ko ke wole le ta mari kan pour yo banko la kayto so do pour ko banko diondi so wala tina and nyaaji be o mil fana yalon ko wala ko kayto process fana you create employment for them because mo le wolti me yalon ko e be sirin je wala kama banko kejo so wala nan ko ndol mom bala lun tan wala UDP as a party mom bala lun tan wala anu momo ni kala fi nyala ko ila family ila suyo wala mom be kala fo wala mom kala nyala ila suwo mo sia so nimmo bonnam banko do na jang ako ala faka ke banko dungo there is no problem banko dungo e kalte wala seto first class citizen second class citizen and third class citizen anu citizenship fona wala nyundu ko pour ka banko dungo I step so le seto you have citizenship by birth citizenship me alon comme banko diya seto through wuluo comme ka fako e wulu to jande e ma isa banko diya seto no wala banko diya ka seto no nyum fana through marriage wala ka futu ko no e ka banko diya seto fona nele so and amanga da wona ka banku dia so to citizenship by stay. For example, moma ya lon ko state ni banku kanya sanji tang or sanji tang anil lulu for example or sanji wora wala right. Abejan amam fenke you have no police case. Asa apply no la ajo ko ndede demu nyum banku do dundi barna ra nyum banku kanjan. Kabina ra Gambia banku kanjan sabata Gambia banku kanjan fo na sanji wora wala sabata imma. So sanji wora wala nyum ko ma any crime ke. Anu sanji wora wala nyum ko Gambia la loi mo meto wala nyum ko ni be banku kanjan sango sang nyanta kana mojo e ga homme go aliens. So ita abaje ko ma nyum fana pour ay Gambia la banku di ya so do ka fa ko aliens kay to nyum fo ya samana in the record kajo ko aliens be record to kajo ko ita mo moldi me ya lon ko kel aliens jole you pay your aliens kala sango sang e ka joro ke masa kunda le ka bansa e ka o banko nyen na mo jole say baje ko banko be jugo so kajo ko nyende mola me al ko lu ndawla mate lu ndawla sarto mo menti ayo kum faala say ala fekk la banko dumuti njikita ko ni na banko di ya kaydo di ala fe me ya lon ko wole be la banko na faala avec la moldi me ya lon ka be terla woldo so wala non ko dol mam balang pour lu ndawlu pour que banque dumuti jang bon ni be kala banque dumuti jang e ba apply la e be silo la normal silo me ya lon ko banko la sarto mo wolede silo me ya lon ko abe fendi la no banko la le ntol UDP that is what we believe. So come on, come and be, but I get back. I'm even late, but I get back. I just have to go to bed now, because that large amount balloto. And then much of the places that these are off roads. Niko off road, wala nyintu ko. That dinkral melialon ko ji mantara silo kam. Ebe konotol ka jile ka duma silo le bori kata ka fuda o dinkral to. Na agento be daw trending. Thank God, alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Gambian call on the UDP call. And sending Tandala ko, UDP, we are ready. UDP, we are ready and we are well structured. Zenyim Faleko, UDP is a party me alonko. Told every business, every political business in Kajaloko, we have to hold it serious. Wale atinda, Kabirum Bara, Fokanaki, cannot bank. There is no single, a registration center. Me alonko, Ibitaji, Ibafaloko, among UDP la agent or Taraji. Amansoto. There is no single amansoto mbalingul nko dinkra kelim mansoto dinkra meya lonko do tarajele man UDP le agent so taraji wherever we go ka UDP le agent so nke tarajele and ngatala ko they are well ready, they are well informed, they know what to do and yalo nyadile ko nyanda kam menke because mena kala UDP dani ba fala ko registration ko si UDP la mol samal ye train their people ye la mol mutale ye train we have a training committee meli alon ko wala kana agent solta ke train e nyanda ka agent ya ka nyadile nyanda ka information no soto nyadile. So this is why before I sell a press release of our people na agent sol they know they are dots because they were trained ye train ya tandila ko nyanda ka do ko nyadile bari election o mun registration o nyo sabo man taraje membe je wolo nyitu ko ni sobi ko karmu lun tamolet karla lun tamolet ida sobi ko nyimu lun tamol okay no problem sai kana diamay lun tamoni ida ejento kana diam lun tamoni be men kala wolo nyitu ko ibita no registration do kula nyin kam karla lun tamolam annu afala kana banko kaydo ta kanini right karde lun tamol nyindi bara fela kana akanna banko kaydo ta kanini annu po kana banko kaydo ta kanini anyanda kanini anin sartol. So what you will do? Says, so what do you do? Ebe men kala wolo nyundo ko ebe to safela niye to safe yela serial number request from the agent, the IEC agent. IEC la agento me ya lonko wala agentoti wala be sirinje ela skebani afa karre nyin nsabita ko nyin luntawolem annum amanke na sataw diwonti. So lefta men wala nyundo ko lefta ya todina lefta fanan ay kayto men samana jang ala serial number ala voters card because melekata IEC ko nim moye al kayto samana nim moye ID card samana nim moye wulu kayto samana IEC ko itol tabal no kayto la. But IEC is a mobile no kayto la moma ya lonko IEC la agento ya jelo ko nyinde dinne wolem andung ya attestation wal diara ba nim mo ni wulu kayto nata ala wulu kayto ka katandi la ko nyin sama be mente nim mo ni wulu kayto nata ala wulu kayto katandi la ko nyin sama mo mente. Okay, that's not a problem, that's good, what a problem. but nim mo me ya lon ko ani wulu kay to manna itata alkalo le ya o itata sefo le ya attestation ta ya dealer for example. So if they give you an attestation, so near attestation was ya dida mar la sign, what are you going to do now, my brothers or my family? Near amarina to sign. Al attestation number, you need that one, and you need his name also. At the end of the process, IEC is going to populate the entire details. So ni IEC ya populate if you need any extra information again about the person, or you need any extra confirmation, prior ICA serial number mendila is right, it's a correct serial number. Your mendila is a correct number. You will go even our bantabani nato, ya to GB, the agent to Kotenge, Yala Pito GB, Karme Alongo, ICA told you now, a serial number is correct, everything is correct, ya file to UDP, ya file to the Central Committee of UDP, Mbena Menkela Wolin to go, Ba Mari Sambala Kotle, Ba Sambala Kitty Bond. Bari Gambia Dung left inform. Lefakal inform men all of go. So far, so good. Everything is going okay. Ndaradin Gral Melto. In Nyanija, because Sidin Jai about Nyanija. Sidin Jai about Nyanija. So the problem may be all of go sign. Okay. Sign Luntan Koning Koliate Bulbak. Because Luntan la Carola, ne block. Marfo go to Luntan Samanland. Yes, still they can try. But IEC do kula le fongola le noko IEC do kula le banku demoleti ya le noko lunta on manya na ka register them. But they have no right to reject anybody may alonko aning authentic document or not. And when we are talking about authentic document, wala need to go kaito me alonko is a better the kaito kendolum if they fraud it somewhere else, that's not a problem. But itamari ila ko nyin lunta wala nyindi but Gambia ID card lo babulu ibe men kala wala nyindi ko atosa fe ma samba revised code le dina samba revised code be men kala wala nyindi ko aba mari mutal aya commande akay ko ita manke banku dewti e manya na kan banko kay roseto. This is the fact nyenam to nyata. But Silinjai of all, there is a particular polling station me alonko in his safe all level ya can safe all try to threaten IEC staffs. A Kalafka IEC staff so that can threaten safe all. Kwana go safe all. Yenta ke haklo to back. Atolo safe kilumule do ko ke ya jambe. Safe ya jaju sifere ya sin TRRC amalta dunya be nyanto amala be kumom fo lambari ngambi enkol. Ono safe all ala hakiltu. Alkalo alal hakiltu baro man sembo sodo ka alkal bondi alkal yala baro man sembo sodo ka sefo bondi alkal yala aka kele bon is illegal. There is a process me alon ko nyanta ka sefo bondi sefo yala. There's a process me alon ko nyanta ka alkalo bondi alkal yala, and there is a process silo le be silo me alon ko nyanta ka nyimmo la makamu sika kati e bulu ida sefo me alon ko beje ida mu Gambia bela sefo leti ida mu wila tundo bela sefo leti ida manyan na tarla politiko kono kana som kamol la fayla kabilo to kana som kamol samana ke kela ila tundo dumulti wol sembo na wore dumulti atar antarans ima jo banko ni bari Gambia ko. But Sidin Jai, there is a particular polling station me alon ko they were there ibenu nje kapka agent solta ke threaten. That's the fact. Sidin Jai of all. Because minakeda wa agent all manson ka minor register because minakeda ye faniala fa baro ye wuliala fa nkoto my president baro ye wuliala fa e kayeko ha until we are going to make you win. They play many games until a game of fola. Because we have come across, look, Nanyin team this is a team of 5 male general, 5-star general commandos. They are operating. Operate with a very sensitive operation on board Kikambano. Ntabe for no lalie, but coming na operation on a lot soft details in Bola Flalie, but the main details of the operation is not going to be told. Go keep it, and we keep those records for the future. Because the process is still going. So some of the reports told you la science funding election na bebanda revised quota na bebanda utumole minafala ko jumalem NPP. yalo Gambia dum lu ngale NPP al bukalo malam NPP al bukalo milam NPP because parti kutolem al bukalo milam NPP because mina keta mo kutol le ñoo kafu ñoma e be banko tiñaka nim kale NPP al buka understand but be NPP flal yele ne abota immediately IEC registration o bank ni IEC registration o bank bani Gambian ko fa banda pako ndara revise code ni la mol be bondi ni la dindi merangol mi la ke register ne be bondi. Because we know the tactics they are playing. Saying the Lundon Lokoma walk. Saying the Meron, Bojo Bochol. I mean, you look at that. Bojo Bochol. And if you go into the history of Nyamina, Nyamina Mayalongo, many people are cursing about Nyamina. We know the problem in Nyamina. Nyamina among the signed. Nyamina, if you go into the history, in Mura Tarakoro since 1980. Since 1980, in those days, time Mayalongo, Koratiol Mayalongo, you know, Wollam, the head of the compounds in those days, in Nyamina, Wollaka Katofa in those days. Since that time, Nyamina can make a whole Nuntuko, even near do Wulo Kafako Koratiolum. You do a Wulo Drong, if they do Mutaleba, Koratiol, you do. They make even their, even because in those days, Koratiol the mal like a Katofa, Dibitoli. So you do a Wulo Drong, Koratiolum. In those days, around the time of Memphis, this is not now. So Gambian soul, you need to understand this. Gambian call Falia Faham. So Nyamina Wobeje, those kind of rules that is a culture in Nyamina. But the culture is going to be stopped because this is not legal. I mean, monkey authentic. I mean, for God. I mean, culture. So culture of registering minors, that is a culture in Nyamina. Culture to Nyamina. Culture. What is culture in our language? Culture. Allah. I mean, anyway, I'll come back sometimes. Okay, there is culture in Nyamina. So Gambians need to understand that. So William called me along William Nyamina. Adults, very good. Thank you very much. Adult. Sometimes so adult. Nyamina, adult Nyamina. Thank you very much, Lavin Boja. Adult Nyamina. Nyamina, adult in Nyamina. We know it very well. So ñu lu taw mi la ko kéré di seteng ñu lu taw lu mol but thank God because Nyamina West mu bla damenti alon ko it lu taw dunna no say because mena kata hey ngala ko UDP we are ready. What we do wala ñu ko we block the border. Na border la block. So none of all will be able to come in here and vote. No, it's not possible. So say men karo ñu ko ila ado ka men ke in Nyamina in those days since 1980s the same ado left ka wala the same tarikolo or the same culture left ka wala but it's not going to work because we are aware and social media is here to expose their evil game. Social media be jenne ke la evil game solta ke expose. If you don't know, let me tell you, all of Nyamina la adoti. We know it. But thank God, Honorable Malik so fintitale, and then the chairman may along Kabiji Mr. Sonko, and then they try to make sure that the system is controlled. But Gambia no kajina follow Alcana worry. We have their details, those minors who didn't make on the register, Bojo you know, Hale you know, you have the register, then jail you court. Because Hale you know, you don't hamne, you at Amut, your amulo 18 years. You don't have 18 years. You still want to vote. Your parents are abusing you because of money. Because you know, right now in Nyamina, I am telling you, they will all struggle to register their minors because they know that during the time of the by-election, these people have given them a lot of money. They know the value of vote. They know the extra value of vote. Nyamina is a place we know this is going to happen because Nyamina Musato me alonko, Nyamina Tundo me alonko, ye already ye koro deal. di ba election men kete je mbeya jele duko men ke nyamina e ko men di molla mbeya jele mo kilin yala katro sam menna so for example sayin dembe tamo men kono momo ya lon ko ala so kono anin dindim bojo be je aba jele ko the more kids you have the more money you are going to have but it's not going to work e ka jele ko yo kodo men sodo to le kolo e be kolo jama e be kolo sodo la e be din jamaari ji sala nyamen ite be kolo sodo la wala because mun nakata nyamina kardo ba be sanna they are ready to go and buy everything in nyamina no we understand the tactics may along go from nyami from Wellingara we know the tactics kunum no faal yele the tactic in Nyamina, Wellingara tactical makeup is not going to work. It's not going to work. We have done our investigation about that Wellingara. They are lying. You know how many of those people came to Gambia? You know how many of those people they are trying to register here? And we know all the places they are going to register those people. We know it. Now, but every polling station, UDP will have a rep there and a representative of Soto Jele. There is no police station so far we have gone. One single police station remain along with UDP representative of Mantraje, and they are all well fed. Diaspora, whoever wants to help UDP, now it's time to help the party. Because we have to make sure we reinforce them. They always need reinforcement. We knows what we are doing. So party supporters, you have to reinforce the party. Whatever support you can do to the party, do it. Do it. Because this is very important. This is the time Mayor Longo, we are winning. And Allah already in North Bank already. If we have to go in for election, we have 70% of vote in North Bank is UDP. I'm telling you. And thank God I was in CRR North. Menu CRR not le B. Sidin Jai is there, but cross camp, confusing, and then say for. Because America CRR Tinate Bulle. With all these projects, they understand those people are wise. They understand social media have told people. They understand they are well informed. They understand that whatever is coming to them is their tax. It's not from the money of Barrow, but it's their own money. And nobody is there to intimidate them, and nobody is there to force them to vote for them. Alhamdulillah. So Sidin Jai is confused. I'm confused. Sidin Jai I'm confused, and I am telling you, look, everybody knows me here. I don't come to social media. Kanaka wulia for Gambian Kolembuko Oman can jikot. Oman can jikot. Sidin Jai was even threatening a police officer. I am telling you this, I swear. He was even threatening a police officer. But those police officers are strong. I mean, they will not deny some of these allegations. Look, these are not allegations even. They will not deny some of these facts. It's not possible. Because it happens. There was this particular police station in Mayalongo. A chief even have a confrontation with, a chief, CFO, a confrontation also with a party chairman. Because he was trying to convince the IEC agent of Kafayako, it's a problem to you. A chief, a chief. CFO. Nyanija CFO. Yes. CFO. He was trying to convince CFO something I don't know whether to or giant, something like that. What they are doing, IEC agent trading whatever, even these people brought. As far as Alcalole Kaito di registration di wall and look, Dumali Namata didn't bojo from Alco, you wouldn't know the Kato diara. So it will make they are trying to intimidate the IEC staff so Kafoko Anatara didn't know me along 10 years, Yalong 10 years left. But as far as Alcalole Kaito diala, you have to give the person, kind of Kaito diala. You'll be in Yabe Mari. Gamian call one and Kaleko Allah understand, Bankudin Kendo Allah understand. nga même faale tolu man na dem ko fanya faale nga fem faale is the interest of this country, is the interest of this nation, is the interest of our own sons, our daughters. Nga même faale billahi wallahi ta'ala, we love this country. If ni atra Gambian ko be dikri wala la mina ya tinne to be frustrating, mina ya tinne be bojo sambala ke register. Why? If you believe that Gambian call are supporting you, if you believe that Gambians are listening to you, if you believe that you are doing development, it's from your own pocket. I swear, wallahi, you can't tell you wulo kono, you can't musol sol live la, you can't feel kon yun hamne ne, you can't come fede, yun den hamne, derebe yun den sona, you can't call if you can't yun den sona. President bi deful fi dara, mala bi dafa ser, diw bi dafa ser. Because of billahi, I swear, wallahi again, musol le kanyu fonye, you wulo kono. Because we go all corners, ndol buka jutu dulala. Even some of the places where I go and know that UDP based, hey, there is no place in the Gambia where it's not UDP based. So we go to anywhere and make it a UDP, there is no single post. There is no single post, I swear. There is no single post follow Mayor Loco. We don't have an agent. We have an agent all over. Our chairmans are going all over. So, but all these things, we need resources. We need resources. We need resources. Hey, my people, I just want everybody to be sure of this. It's a Lundang Nyama. I am telling you, the Lundang, they can overpower the citizens of this country. Let's try to change our concept in that. And what I can tell you, Lundang Falanyama ma kataka nyo butu kanal kalakanaka wondi bankola election or neutralized. It's not going to happen. It happen now. People are aware. Lundang will not be batal melfong baker. So Lundang are not coming in. What happened in some places, coming like, I don't want to talk in a tribal line. Seaford and fancy comb, but more they are businessmen. So, for their business transaction, I just tell you, Kodi Jama, Purka Gambia ID card. But the ID card for health issue. Come like, need Dumul Sasata. Ye samba loptanol to kana ko di jamajo so dolbe ye kata am neka because they are businessmen e kamen gawlo nyunduko it will businessman oliti so pour Gambia kayro terebul is important for them but they are not going to take our voters card so nyawol fana jande although e manya naka banko kayro soto ye banko kayro nyine through fraud but wol ye fang absence le from the ke dadul in election ko kono they are here businessman le muti e be le business la ye kayro soto by fraud and they know that those fraud men you call it jamala jo kaydo ni and if they go if they go to itaka voters karota ilo look ni the moment we take them the revised code yes amba kiti bum kono they will never have that document and it's a problem so don't know lolu amna nak dafa am ay nit ñoo am ne ñooñu dañ am ID card but ñooy duñ musa dem out voters card because lu tax di musa dem out voters card dañ xam ne kayit boo am na ñu ngi ko amee ID card bu ñu amee ID card boobu dañ ko amee ak dëkku dañ joxe xaalis dañ buraay dañ joxe xaalis ay yeneen nit yi fi ay yeneen immigration ak ay yeneen JPC ñooñu leen jox xaalis ba ñu jëmbaleen pour ñu am ID card soo ñooñu ID card rek la ñoo am de duñu musa try suñ passeport ou duñ musa try suñ voters card because dañu xam ne suñ demee ut voters card ñun wax nañ leen ne soo demee ut voters card even soo fekk ne yaa ngi amee ID card ñun dina la yóbbu code because yow ñun dañ xam ne yow ban time nga ñëw fii ak sa doom yow sa doom judut fii yow juduloo fii sa jabar judut fii ñun xam ne loolu so dafa important pour yow nga meg sonne yow bul dugga sa gémmiñ bul dugga sa booba si suñu élection bi pour waa Gambie rek lañ bu leen defee loolu la information boobu il faut ñun mu dugga seen brain ba dafa am ay yeneen nit ñooy xam ne ñooñu dañoo dekkee fit bugg a dem ut suñ voters card bi ba soo demee ut suñ voters card lu ñoo def billahi wallahi taala danga xam ne ñun Gambie ñun pare leen ñun seen lii suñ bageen la soo xamatoo loolu ñu wax la loolu affaire yi caakaan dafa gee Gambie ñun den soona ñun dañ bugg a Gambie dem si kanam te suñu élection bul dugga sa booba suñu élection yow jaaykat maalo la yow jaaykat yàppa nga yow jaaykat loo mun ta nekk mu nga jaay ko fii bul dugga sa booba suñu élection sekeno subu wa filati ekeno mafe wa filati jang ekeno any kind of bit go sa no jende you can do your business pay your rent yele ran solta yebe jo but tane da aduna election ko ni be kala la for the last minute so Sidi Njie na bouton lo jande na Sidi Njie bouton lo le Sidi Njie na bouton lo le a bouton lo Sidi Njie bouton lo na bouton lo le already Sidi Njie na bouton lo janne ñani jaata win na je ñani jete fensot la je hey ngale ko ndol we are ready and we will keep pushing. We don't look, hey, politics, you have to be ready. Political fair pare, and we are ready to give our life to secure this country, to protect this country from the barbaric 419ers, mafias, anyhow. And then look, we were very happy today. One old woman, my people. Muske bala today. I just forgot our name. My comrade Dudu Kasajara is not here. No one mbala name fulale. Ni muso ni farafenye musani natara wolto. Billahi wallah mero le nyenta mankarang. You see how these people love. Sometimes I even cry mkumbota. Because me nkumbondi wala nyintiko. Ni muso na mira ni mero mankarang. Anu nyimero nyikebala nyimeroti billahi wallahi taala she is the pooling agent farfanya musani station oto billahi ko luntan ta register la je luntan register ta aka ba make sure le ko ibe sambala kiti bunkono anu atlebelo la kiti bunkono ay na nya fo jang this old woman from binta something number all woman lañu de muskeba koto why because mnekata a dungul la sama ay wala long so ni tay amino num because ite me dungul la sama long ibe bojo la ni NPP noma ibe bojo la ni patio me alon ko e man fenje e kum kolon don yoloje we are not going to take time. We are not going to accept any barbarism here. Muskeba koto la kanyum fanya konyo ko hey akonyo ndimo akonyo takela soma. Ndiam ta ngai ko mero just calm down. Akon takela akonyo luntan lu nyul jang ako karonyo la karonyo election o keta jalle e ka karto fay jalle luntan lu nyulu. Ako ka karte ke sa bok solo ni jalle karonyo. Ako Senegal election o keta jalle Senegal ko le bok solo ni jalle. Ako jina konakri election ko jande jina konakri ko elekti ako e box solo ndi jang ako ba lun e man Gambien je me yalo ko taka karta fay ako mina tinan to la carte fay ko no o mo kilul mel yalo ko keje jang e kana ka karta fay selu dal ne jang e kana ka karta fay alpha ko ne jang e kana ka karta fay magga sallay jang e kana ka karta fay abla wole jang o mo kilul lena to la carte fay ko ko be da kala je na carte fay ko mero ko nyanta kala ndimu akonye manta ndinda akonye salwatu la kambundi jang ni salta na dino si muske ba ko dole nyindi de la mon ko misa diba ko kay misa diba sa yamere ni mero sa en tolbe melek la ñie ni UDP winta misa diba ko nyako we already have a plan for these people akonye nyanda kam on sa ñindi ko UDP yela strategic plan o be set up already UDP, look, we are ready, I swear, wallah, summa wallah. Gambians, we are ready. The first 100 days, we are going to perform. Gambians will see. Gambian call by the mena dinkolo kono. Hey, Alaji Hussein Manka Chahan Moti. Alaji Hussein Manka Chahan Moti. Alaji Hussein is ready to rescue this country from the barbarians, from the 419, from the bandits. yalo ngale ko nyo sabo jan MPP golla kata jana kacha ibe fenkale be video hey tol manka o tol we are ready and look Gambian call and ka understand President Barrow will keep traveling abe calling you know one abe calling you know la two abe menna wolom nyintu ko janala mansaka bang you want to travel and visit many countries in the world and which is okay. Because President Barrow understand that he cannot make it. So the only chance for him to go, the budget barman that I think, ko budget exhaust. Abo exhaust nya wala to go. Abo kodo ni mutala abe passer. Kataka Bangol visit tourism. Our president is a tourist now. He is thinking about tourism now, but not about development. What is he going to do at Guinea? Minabe Guinea. Minatina Manta Guinea for the last 4 years. He's a tourist. We have a tourist minister, tourist president, and a tourist minister. Ahmed Ba filter la maji. Ahmed Ba filter la Mak Ahmed Baje. Ahmed Mons Ahmed Baje. Gambe be ko Ahmed Bale. Ndalaje mundo. Ahmed Ba was found in Guinea. Because he's a tourist. The president is a tourist now. And he was received by his tourist minister in Guinea Conakry. Alikana nyonene, membe kerin kawla fali. Hey, it's not up for nothing. At a fence of laje. Eh, nimu kai good. Along Alkana, never Alkana kumakamota. Look, this guy will have nothing. This guy know that code. He is finished. He is finished. I'm calling you know one. Two, wala nyinto ko ayalo ko ala mansaya bantele he wants to agenda kolome alon ko status yola budgetaya ala taka wala exhaust because ala mansaya bantele aba anno ko exhaust nyame wala nyinto ko they can only exhaust that through traveling because ala every travel they pay him banko be jolale e kata damento ni fotata they give you house for free ayino yalla ngamen ko la ma wala long abe ko ni no la be ko do sot la wala dron wala won ngam fa ma understand it is desperate dunya mo le ko diala because abe da be 3 days till sabat for what Africa jam till sabat president every day la cost amount itaka juma itaka jelle expense a day mbe diam la ka fa go mu atata min la je mome ya lon ko you just from Ghana here Ghana ite borlan Ghana jang just kunun go jang Ghana yana mul ko tangi kada alpha kono e ko kada alpha kono for what fale am alpha kono stupid tele fale am alpha kono nyaamatele fale am alpha kono ma lo xamenge alpha kono le bi alpha kono fale am alpha kono ki ak do lo mimba an kana nyone ne ko de mo ken sama e bo wala ibe kodo talaka nyotema ibe bankola kodo la pasar ka nyoe Gambian kola nyanda kawlong is not for is there for nothing ni malon sa fale abanta ye fenna you have to understand this my fellow comrades Gambian kola let's come back to the voter registration ala la molu kumandi ala fa la molu ko yita registrata bondi. We have to be ready. And we are ready. Hey, I have no doubt, inshallah, on the 4th of December, because Gambians are ready. Gambians have shown us that before the election. It's the only party. I am telling you, it's the only party. They don't have one leakage, master, one leakage. Hey, sijulo ne joka kono ning sijulo soda dron alonka bele ka tinya jo bele ka bon UDP jo bon sijulo kono la sijulo feman jolong na carte keso fente jolong la it is all going to our pocket. It is all going to UDP. Hey, do ali ala nyaka sila carte keso ko gala wala sunya ele they are late. Carte keso ko sunya mundo Niano yetaji ka Gambe look you know Gambe ko lan kana nyone ne Even they are going to bring thousands of Gambian communities in Guinea. I am telling you, what those people, what impact are they going to make into our election? If a million calendar election when Gambia will staring down, well, they have already decided go, Yabaro Bondile. When he's already dismissed from presidency. Yeah, Bondi president, Mama Yalong already, yeah, Bondi president Yala already. Ngali ko confusion o be caring ala ka funyo ko mo. Falman Sekou Barrow may. Sekou Barrow may along ka confused nyama koto. Falman Sekou Barrow may. Falman Sekou Barrow moy abe même fokam Gambien ko fal mo moy mo confused ta nyama ta you know I fal mo moy Sekou Barrow of all usena ko e jahalle ba usena ko e jahalle say because mine kada they don't know win ko do jabal win e buka fen jabal na man ko win ñu di ko sa ñu la ko e jahalle. Whenever they talk, it's Ousainou Darboe. Whenever they talk, it's Ousainou Darboe. They will never, because Ousainou Darboe is their PR. Even they have a little program. Imamba Ousainou Tofo je mobge jibe. Yalon Gambia, this is psychology. Alama don kana nyonene. Ala albadun kumandi. Ala fo albadun melbe NPP. Ali kumandi ala fo yebo NPP. Ikana malo soto. Ala fo yebo NPP. Alal badon commandé pour NPP quand même fallait nalone. Call your people, let them leave this party. Nim party o manke patiti. Alal la mol commandé badon, alal la mol rescue. Quand même fallait nalone de. Hey, na bang call ko na start mundo from bara. NPP la nim pick up go NPP pick up jelle bebul. NPP pick up mo talulu bebul. I can tell you NPP la pick up pour nous ñaay boyakam. There is no polling station on NPP la pick up on Nataraje. There is no place, there is only, I can remember, la pick up it was only Sinya Fulava Sababa in Silokam, Najalo Manokan, Nabentala, Manokan, Abitakam. NPP la pick up. With all the others pick up, Abemunto, Abemenona, Kalakom, Bugabe, we are not going to say all. But remember they are destroying my brother. If a baro tinyakan, if a baro nafulo tinyakan, if a baro confusing the kang, if a baro if a baro na family I mean, that's my only problem. These people, they are only wasting my brother, they are wasting my brothers, even a brother kodo tinyakan. You're taxless. Alba jealousy. Social media albe jela say e be menakala e be dela family e be taka mol gana nyoka ya fako wala mun family di because baro e be taxle e be dala video de da in the family left ka jela ko every one of you people aleta la family left ka lo ko mo jel every one of you people albe mo jela samal na UDP albe mo jela mutala ka registration no diala baro e wala la tax di. So now they are trying their own best, compound to compound, come to register, Malayan go register, baby, the badul, Katekan Kodo Dila. Hey, Bayer, Ntabi Frade, Nkaleko NPP, we are following them like a satellites. We are following them like a satellite. Me follow can like satellite ko am ga chand be no ma kan like am ko men ka bule normal de look we have a system, we are more sophisticated than them, we have a system and it's the system me along we are playing and it's this system me along is killing NPP. So 1 minute, second by second second by second, minute by minute. Anytime my because there is no electricity. I mean, come on. So I feel the system will be light member so that I can get to a generator and it can go off at any time because I have mad noise like as I'm speaking now. But Gambians all left me understand. Momo la family call. Ala fa la mo le ko e mo le fin din jeta ye register. Alta register ke. Alta la mo no sol kono ali register. Alta la family commandi ala fa da register nyene. Very soon they start moving to other places. And if they move to other places, you cannot register in some of the places. Alala mol kumandi. Call your family members. Call your family members. Alala mol kumandi. Alala mol kumandi. Alafa la mol yoko. Let them go and register. Alkana song luntong le bona jine bisaw jine konakere jine bujum putum Sénégalais bujum alkana song yalla katde kaytol ta ni kaytol ta ibe kala dibtol ta la tundolto ibe kala alkalol ta la tundolto ibe kala multi million ko ibe kala sumolti al tundolto broda ngamen fale la understand ngale ko ñu wulo ko ja anywhere they are tol be jele ngale ko ñu na ba jala ñu na nembe mo sambala you know, Al-Bajala, 100,000 people are better revised code. Well, I mean, we are stupid. I see, look, if you don't know what we are doing, maybe I'll understand that. But, inshallah, what I can tell you, we are playing our cards well, and our sophisticated materials are all working. You know, the system on control, we are monitoring the system. There is no single polling station where we have not been since in the morning. We always start our operation early in the morning. We do start our operation early in the morning, up to 5 to 6 p.m. Sometimes, our residence where we normally have our like normally in Kafuta Odlalto normally late. And remember, we're doing all what we're doing is to protect our country. All what we're doing is to see that no foreigner will register in our country. All what we're doing is to make sure that no minor will get a voter's card in this country. All what we're doing is to inform our people. All what we're doing is to interact with our people locally, and to understand what is some of their problems. This is what we're doing exactly. So, and we will keep doing this. We are right now, as we're speaking, I will not even disclose my locations as we are, because my satellite is working as I'm speaking. The satellite is right now looking at the NPP team. We know where they are today, and we will we will show them that we are more sophisticated than them. We just want them to understand this is UDP, and they know what UDP can do in the past days, on the past years, and we want them to understand that now UDP have a new system, UDP have a new strategy, UDP have new brains. They are there to make sure everything goes according to the right the right directions. So guys, everyone have to be comfortable. We are ready to rescue this country. We will give our life to make sure that the future of our youth, the future of our youngsters is guaranteed. So this is why we don't have time to play. UDP have no time to play. Our focus is how we're going to uproot these guys. Our focus is how we're going to finish the mafias from our country. This is our focus now. We have nothing to do. From now up to December, we have no time to waste. I want everybody to understand this goal. UDP, we have no single minute to waste. Single minute. Can you seconds? UDP until more time also. Our main focus is how to uproot somebody who is traveling all over as a tourist. So guys, Allah barakabake, thanks for your time. Nafala Nyaming is your brother aka Bayo Sonko, Silvo Sonko, Nuwalibe Kachakang, from UDP TV and Media. Allah barakabake, thanks for watching at us. Allah barakabake, Mr. Conte, everyone watching, Daniel Jabi, everyone is Alabea Baraka. Amumu Benjibe Kang Namento for Manto for Alabaraka Bake, and we'll always be here to inform you every day. It's not easy because imagine you have to be driving all day, and at the end of it, it's now almost 2 a.m. in Gambia. We have to be here to talk to you people. You have to wake up 6 in the morning. You will someone like Juno, 6 in the morning. You will to try to reach some of the locations. It's not an easy task, but we are only doing this because we want to make sure everything goes in the right direction. We want to make sure that our people feel like our people understand that we don't just give them work to do, but we are also with them, and because this is all what we can do. Our people need to understand that wherever they are, we are close to them, and we will never we will never leave them alone to do this job. We will always be close to them. We will always be monitoring them. We will always be there to give them the support. So I'm like the way you guys are giving us support. Whoever is giving support, please give support to the United Democratic Party, because the party need to spend on these agents, because these agents are people, they are working for, they are working tirelessly. From the morning up to 5 p.m. they are always there to make sure all irregularities is being recorded. So we are saying thanks to our agents. And we are saying special thanks to our commando, special thanks to our head of the organizing committee, which is Talib Ahmed Bensouda, our team, Mr. Ibrahim Adiba, Karafa Yahabia Sonko, Dudu Kasa Jata, Babukar Lopi Jambe. All these people are people, Malialonko. They're here with us. The number is 288-5588, 288-5588. Whoever wants to call. You can call and then to give your blessing. But all what I can tell you is we are working for our country, and we will work for our country. We will die for our country. We will make sure that we protect the citizens of this country. We will make sure that we protect the sovereignty of this country at all times. Nothing can stop, nothing going to stop us to do that. Our time is for UDP. Our time is for Gambia. Our time is for our children's children, because we know the war in Africa, on other places, the wars in Liberia, the wars in other part of the world is all caused because of some of these issues, some of these kind of issues will lay our cause, and we will not allow some of these things to happen in our country. So guys, please, the number is 288-5588, 288-5588. But come on, I don't think I'll be able to take calls, because I have to go on bed. But if I have one or two callers, it's not a problem. I can still be here to take one or two people. They want to make call, fine, that's not a problem. The number to call is 288-5588, 288-5588, 288-5588. Just to give you a short brief of whatever we've done today. Cabinet Wulta, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, Wulta Farafene, Dunta Darafo Bambali. We visited 2 polling stations, because they have about 3 polling stations right now. Whatever operate right now. That is Farafenye Primary School proper, and Farafenye Library, and then Farafenye Mutani School. This is the place that Farafenye Kono ebe registration o kekan dulal melto. From Farafenye Fintida Kodanken Dada Satome Alkavujo Kumbijang. Kumbijang is in Sabale. Kumbijang, I think, is in Sabah. Dara Kumbijang, Kabimboda Kumbijang, Dara Bambali. Kabintara Bambali, Fintira Kodanke Kata, Dara Sada Jumal to Kodanke, Bambali, Kafinik, Dara Dibakunda. Yes, Dara Dibakunda, Dibakunda, Kata Nyanija, Chairman, Kabo Chairman, Kodanke Kana, Nata. This place also Njau, from Njau also Fintita Wolanyama, Kataka Uru, and then some of those places Milialango. So far so good. Noel Dolbe conquered already, and there is no single polling stations. Program call allow understand, UDP call allow understand. Situation me alonga baby caring inshallah. We are going to make sure that we put everything under control. Kajiko Lundolten na Katrautala, Kajiko whatever Momo alongo you even want to take it, do it. Not that you're doing it at your own risk. Only difficult in the mess rolling to go safe ning alcohol milialongo, but attestation of decant didn't know. But IEC is going to take a step against that, because IEC is an independent body. IEC is an independent body that but we have that problem in these areas, in the salons and the managers. And alcohol are trying to come in. If you don't system to try to to intimidate some of the officers of IEC, and which is going to be better IEC ningwa agent ole tema. Sidinja is part of the people Malayalongo Bejang, you will have a baroe, you for Baroe, you baro kodo mutabulu, fay to ye mol soto at the end of it mammo soto be kamfaring il fa kamfa dinde IEC la staff sol kang. This is what is actually happening. So but même kumata je wala ñu ko ignore them. Call your people, ala la mol kumandi sol kono, ala la mol kumandi dulato, ala fa la mol ko. Let them make sure that they register, they go and register. Wala kumara sign. Dinde ngum le alon ko be register kan, e be to sa fe kanne, be sama revise code le, be sama revise code le, be kaydo tale be bulle. If I manual bal no ko, you know, they are doing, e be menki kan, mambe ya, e be menki kay be dimbal wa fi kan. So, you know, aliyo promo ni nyamina wole o sabu, you know, nyamina fire koto. And it's not only Nyamina, we know there are other places, Melango, Bekekang, but thank God, we are keeping their records. So even they are trying, you know, we are keeping their records. So I understand Nyama. Just make sure that give us your blessings, pray for us, we have not successfully, but we are really breaking their backs. Be code take and be people called finish can be finish can Galio. After finishing this show, I can tell you, after finishing the entire stuff, you know, ning election banta already registration of banta. You know, I will tell you bam 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 be finish lale. You know, I mean, everybody have to understand that. Time o temburu. Gambians need to understand that. You know, every one of us need to understand that. Hello. Yes, you want to join the show? Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. All right, thank you. I think you are doing a great job. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. But still, I'll concern me to get lunta registration of Kuomo Bake. Yeah. And no way go be more Sabakan and Purka more register. I'll fight back because what does it make sense? You can walk up on a one day banko kanakafa, abena kaito talaka because problem all what. Yeah, remember you were to go along social media is very wide. Tonyalem ma ninko luntang mantara ke register nsafaniafo. But yalo UDP be alon ko loyala muntola nyaton koti. Na loi buya bakele ninkelo lem to lekelo nole ninka dula dundi na dula dundo nole. But remember you will need to go we are before be follow according to the right aspect. Remember you will need to go Luntan Miliki the Kumul for what them down. Luntan register la jang. Luntan live Nalano could do Canada Okakele. Everywhere in the world. New bunch of Luntan Luke register jang. It's not going to happen. And I want left a mobile understand at happen because now you got a happen no volunteer to control agent or lesoto. And those agents sold you Mumbayano means sute. Mumbayano because we know you can take yellow Mukalif car before a tax 16 in a bill. A system use you know from Ulukai to la Carolabang, from attestation of la Carolabang, a system may use na bill only because Dolbenian system of Conole and Tolialo ne Kakinyadi, and I bill only. So by how long in Yanaka moment some kitty dulato. So ni wala kulo be for chow ala leakage pencil be for it. Kitty bunkona collier money. So what has no cool be obviously album more complain la more wuro kala tarin but let's keep blowing the whistle. What is very important. Let's keep blowing the whistle because what is very important. You have to be ready. You call their names out, because they will do whatever it takes. Because that's it. It's very disappointing. That's very sad. Very sad. Yeah. But remember all what I want to tell you people. You live in the US. America Bank and you have friends they are Gambians in the US. And you alone, it is a madama, at least more tang or more lulbe janame alongo, it like a whole feed. You feed them. Alhamdulillah. Exactly. I'm talking to my sister. Yeah, I'm going to comment. amanga come it left side wolti alale te harje ke samba ke sindi america banko kan so be bajelo ko ite ila bar muso maybe ila bar muso be futu lado ila bar muso dum fula din saba babulo ya understand asikeno ila mero beje ila mero binki beje e binki ma beje ya understand e binki o e binki ma fana diama terimaye this is communication because communication is the key yaje NPP lose the communication όλα. So let us not lose the communication learning. Let's communicate to our sisters. Let our sisters communicate to their friends. Let their friends communicate to their housemates. So our people, everybody will come out. But every diaspora, because diaspora bele waste diaspora alka kodo dele. Diaspora, your support is always here, but now we don't need only Kododama. We need the resources, and we need human resources. Nunko human resources wala nyuntuko. Sula da kajeko, mol melano ko be diaspora yela mol kumandi jang. Iteri malam ba ini menka ataya ke nyokang, ini menka si nyokang, ini menka ta club nyola, ini menka kol ke nyokang. You understand? Ya kumandi, ila sungudo ya kumandi. Ila sungudo la friend ya kumandi. Ila muso ya ko, ila muso friend I command. And this is not something me alone you should not say. The information have to go. The message have to be spread. Let's ask each other. Let's challenge each other. Let's challenge each other. Here is mine. Where is yours? Please go and take it. I mean, this is our right. Nimma ke torong. Iba yolo ko at the end of it. Kanyo luntang ko membe casting. You understand? At the end of it, na fara tarlala. But men kumati je wala nyunduko. Ntolle siara luntang ulti. Ndole sera luntawolti and nintol banko do ko mele banko falinale the only tool we have is wala nyinduko kanna mol kumande sokono ay ta register ta afo tedima ay ta register ta afo kafunyo ma ay ta register ta afo mbinke ko ay ta register ta afo mbar mbaya ay register ta afo mbar ko register ta afo mbinke ko so this is what we have to do kana judum fon la it masato but men can only you can able to give us 20 people. How many Gambians they live in the United States of America and they want to vote, but Barrow denied them not to vote. But what they can do, they should communicate to their people. If you communicate to your people,
in fact, I'm working on that. Okay, sisters, I've been talking to them. Registration on Bible is invalid. Make sure I'll be at register. I'm talking to them as we speak. And not mirroring. Atela call ma got discourage tala when you are carte for baringa neko no you are doing it for your grandkids kalbe registration on I'm talking to them every day
akomina discourage
yeah
akomina discourage
no ako because ate discourage tala ako because today like carte fine we buka fence roje they don't get anything any moment I don't promise buka cook. That's what that's
yellow one thing even men for mero afo mero ko afaya ko inatale yem promise in market say ni yem promise in market me bondi je sign this mean ko sign o promise balia holbe tulaje men ni yem promise in market nyanda men kala wala mbe bonda je la doena ala be men la do fele me ya lonko o ben promise la bakel.
Exactly. In fact, no, exactly. That's what I told her.
But say ita ko yung promise le make. But say ni itla katre fay balia wala ka o mendije. O me alon ka ay la hido ko e. O me alon ko. Good. So we have to make sure ko. Please akumandi ya afaya ko ya danile afaya ko ndemu dingolati. Itla de wulu. Left yo le kenye. Na sama left imamaru sama left ka je imamaru sama ay na Gambia kono ni yesi imamaru yesi ay sumbu left imamaru left sama ay nyindi banko kan wala tane na nyinda talle carte ota. It's not about you. Please Allah na mo kon
imam futa je follow de yalla eastern kombo man lal futa do follow
no ko beje beto there is no district imanta damento satol de mom futa satol beto imam for satol dono but there is no district me along ko ay simantaraje every district abeje betole
ye ni be communicate ka be na sisa dole be futu la birikama so I'm communicating ko make so albe carte fay
ebe carte ota ya mabu ya niata ya photocopy ye la real carte que sota ya mabo. My number is 288-5588 Abdullah.
I just put in my phone.
Yeah, Abdullah.
At the same time, kilim fana ko atondi ning atondi na brother lo fana mbedi am ko wol fana ne wol fana they are all they don't have problems all baby carte final because I have over 10 brothers and sisters.
Call them.
So
and your 10 brothers and sisters, they all have 3 friends or 4 friends. So call them. Those 10 brothers. So it's like if you have 10 brothers, this means UDP have nothing less than 40 to 400 votes.
Correct. I'm doing my job.
So
because they listen to me. When I talk to them, they listen. They will do it. They convince them. Make sure all of you go get the voters card. Because we know what we are going through here. I know what I'm going through here. So the problem is out.
Yeah. So anyway, Abaraka Baka, man, thanks for your time. And then let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. I appreciate it. Amin. Your prayers. Amin. Thank you. Abaraka. Thank you. Please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Yeah. Guys, that's a very good contribution. That's a very good push-up. Wolemu, let's push it up. Let's push it up. So you see, so now you can play. All you need to go. Nindala kume balofa, ndimola kuwe balofa. Gambians. Nindala kuma mem balofa, ndimola kuwe balofa. Because I feel be, alhamdulillah. I'm trying myself. Bakatakan. But say never saying the system the system be tinyaka nyaming, system be tinyaka nyama, ndingo is going to be suffered. Ndingo be batalan. So why not can you play alien bad in Gambian Kolo? Let's keep pushing. Yes, bro. In Mbara. God, it's almost 2 p.m. It's almost 2 a.m. here, man. At 10 past 2 Gambian time, yeah. You want to contribute, right? Okay, this is
strategy lewe hapun kan Gambia. Luntan kuote benano, luntan te register la umtonyalti. Bari la strategy de minke kan pural salon. Magi Sall yo le Senegal fay election o wi nin Senegal lewe nyoka miala ko kunu. Biri ngani mata fay dron kon na mol ka dale ka register voters card ni ke wrong name safi anin wrong so name. Ako nyego ke madu janne be jam fala diamo ko nga samploy tan dunda bunko na la ID card openina eteliga carte o fay min abonina anada itani na ko you see this ako la ni election o min tambe Senegal naje man del mo juruma tamo tuban kolti ako naje man voting keno yene ken tella yenna Syria no mal ta ya fenkendi del mo long for election day ndara imansonga voting ke e ka vonyo ko altel toti jang alla nyum no mbati jang akonyo ko be min foga exactly Macky Sall yo le Senegal fo a gagneta because mol ka digi patiol ka digi ko mo be bulle waysi wala cartel be tinyata le mamba kala
okay
saya do avla ba hapun Gambia mol mi ango ko dom sanyanti e ka fo nyang e ka sabo ndiye
okay say okay
ya understand
okay Elamwe, yalong I did a basic IT, and then I work with developers. Amanke nin developer le do ko kele. This is all about data. And then, one thing we all have to understand, I see the system. I know, nothing the system. Let's IEC is not compromising. I don't left a Gambian Kolu, Beo understand. The system IEC system we use. Ning, for example, right now I am my programs I base it on genuine reasons. Member je wala ko IEC let's say need to register. Let's say eko Sirifo Sano, right? Sirifo Sonko, but instead of Sonko, yakaji Sirifo Songho. For example, instead of for example SONKO, yake SONKHO. Yalo Sirifo Songho. So by sign that Sirifo Songho, that name, that Sirifo Songho is what is going to be in the system. The name in the card. We have to be very, because let's not confuse and kind of more confused in the back. The name member Kato Bala. That is the name Mayor. That's the name Mayor Lonko. Wole be tarla ila registration o bala. Andum Lumeya Lonko. Ekata karte fayoke. Inila ID card bukata. Ini me anum I see la computer fana bukatare bulu. Mengatare bulu wala nyuko, mengatara IC bulu wala nyuko. Ila mengatara IC bulu wala mu ite mari nying ito me alonko wala bela wuluko wala bela voters card nyumbala. Ndato mo sirfo son kolte. Yento ko sirfo son hoti. But nakato bala after le na realize ko nakato bala sirfo son holo beje son ho not sonko. Sa membe je wala nyuko ninta kada carte fayola même pour payer ñu kama ko nim furata na kato membe mbulo ko ndala piccio babala and the serial number may along wala be IEC bulu because bukola IEC is not this is about data. IEC cannot print niko silfo sonko along ko silfo sonko le tarle ila bugo nyum fanambala the polling agent party agent be tarla jere yela voters kato dila damento iba jibe ila name member voters kato bala ida anatra is a run spelling the same run spelling wala better la system o kono system o bo the same run spell le print la anon the same run spelling no nying ye wala present to them même kumata bala wala nyundi ko jumala be piccio nyum bala sirvo sonko le be nyim piccio nyum bala and the serial number is correct. You understand?
Okay,
I want to help you here. I mean, let's not allow people to misguide us. But I just want to give you, and I want us to go an extra mile. The extra mile, I see the system okono. For example, ni nata, yeto spell, ito kada run spelling. Or, for example, inata. Ila picture for because I see la mason sometimes ila picture na katala side mento sometimes mason ka print to the other side. So this means that card is not a valid card. Among the card me ya lonko among the card me ya lonko is valid. So mason kono in the system mason ka attend the jelo mason ka attend like invalid vote. Ya moile. So abukana green akaka ika cancel. So ning system nindo ko be banta chew for example after the closing IC ka mengo they call the agent ila party agent member je ka mengo wala nyugo ka command la ayna ya fay ko these are the invalid vote ninemu carte keso me yalongo we have run spelling amarina tala ay claim ko run spelling nem afele run spelling nemu and then afele na muta the system is not accepting it because IEC they develop a system me alonko attestation yalon this time IEC like attestation di okay IEC ka attestation mendi for example ni ente attestation number is 0024 so 0024 already wala munda 30 na dundi they put it in the system if they put it in the system Okay, sign itamari kera mode me alongo itata ya photocopy because they give you an attestation ekafeko teta field. So ni ya photocopy yadi modola itata alkalo ya muta alkalo ya stamp. If you come nini wa photocopy nyin nata police will ke arrestle. Ke arrestle. Ke itamari arrestle because minakada even that photocopy that serial number membe attestation on yumbala abuka duplicate no. You cannot enter two the same serial number or two the same datas in Funko you cannot put two similar datas in the system. The system is going to reject. For example, 001, you cannot have two 001s. No, it's not possible. The system is automatically made. So more information all D. Let us be careful because we are treated in Kanamol sometimes Kanamol. And we need to be very careful in giving information. Election fraud. But IEC is linking with the agents, and the agents we teach our agents. We are not among comment on many system because we are more month long about computer. We know about cloud, we know about data, we know about 010101, we know about the coding, we know about coding. So if you know coding, you know so let's try to put this to our people. Ning momo yalonko ela wulukato bala ito membe je imo toke la kaito bala. For example, go back and say membe nyimbala is not the correct one. Go back. No, go back. No, go back. But I just want to say this. No, I want to make it clear. Go back. If you go back, you do it again, you are safe. Okay? If you go back, you do it again, you are safe. But in case, and again, let me tell you this. Let me finish this one to you. And again, IEC, at the end of the registration, if you told me populace in the Bantabar, at the Bantabar. If you told me populace at Bantabalto, mitaje for verification. We are going to the Bantabas to verify all information again. Any information may alonko is not correct, or any information we can also reclaim. But the best time to claim is when the registration is going on. We can okay. So I want what information is there, but don't let nobody confuse you. Makisale menke, billahi I don't want to kill no. Let me tell you that. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I believe that.
All right, thank you.
I believe that. So Laptamina,
Hello. Yes, bismillah. Ani ibele fongo fal ibele divaso fal diam sign. E kala mo ko mene bo fal diam na broda. Yes, no brother. Yeah. So okay.
Lafta let me emphasize back again. Wolum what? Come more concentrate like kaito mimbe la birth certificate bala wala la ID card wala passport wala ni bagala voters card bala ke clienti. Akana ka kuti come.
Thank you. No, we will advise.
Ima settle down for after economy be now settle down kudos na dun gele man na chance
no problem
for mole na vote la
no problem
no
problem abaraka yes. Thank you abaraka yes
thank you very much
because I have to follow I will be driving tomorrow so nyanda lala non dem gana sino ni memoro borondo la yes assalamu alaikum kola
Walaikum salam.
Yes,
I don't know whether it's possible.
Nadi?
Silvo, wala come to be Silvo, Programmo.
Memo can please, memo can.
Silvo. Silvo.
Memo can brother.
I'm going to like one now. Madam directly, please.
Okay, 1 minute. All right. Okay, memo can, No, Emantra Live, yes. 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 Maleficator saying, yes. Okay. I will. Okay. I will come back to that. More explain it. Don't worry. More explain it. Okay. No, it's okay. Can't worry. It's okay. Thank you. No problem. Thank you. No problem. Thank you. No problem. No, thank you. All right. Okay. Yes. Is okay. At lot concern more about serial numbers, lady. Because I have seen it. Magana recently. Concerning about serial numbers. Every card has a serial number. Card, long a serial number certainly. If you want to verify, there is card every card. This is a system. System is control. Nim momorandi alonko electrica justify. Go and collect millions of voters' cards. Yajibe, there is no single card they are having the same serial number. Voters' card number, that's the number is the number of the person. Number teje the 14 digits. If it is 14 digits numbers, it's a killing now. Not possible at all. And what coming from whatever serial numbers we at the end of it, everything member is going to be public. About public in our bantabas, in the various places that Dulal Melia Lonko, you register Taje, you begin Kaitulum be public law Dulalet. You register Dulal Melto, you be Kaitulum be public law, Walto, Mulbitaje Kotanke, to take all the information is Sula Remena Kotanke. So Mulkama Mira all the cards has a number, the voters card number, that's the number, that's a serial number. And there is no single Nimmo left a card justify. Show us a voters card people are having the same serial number or the same voters card number. Voters card number and the serial number are all the same. So I'm more confusion about that one also. We are winning, but we are winning. I will not be here today. It's almost 2:30. It's almost 2:30 a.m. in the Gambia. I have to wake up 6 in the morning to try it again, to go and survey Kadaka Dulal Nini, Kadaka Dulal Jive. So I'm not going to just be here coming Diamu Diakam and Katraka. I am here to inform you, to give you the relevant right information. So the voters card numbers, there is no single card Buffalo, and they have the same numbers. It's not possible. Left a Gambian Columbia understand. And Momo Kari said here, a KMRI Bella fingerprint totale. And we all know how sensitive fingerprint is. What is more important here? Let's call our people. Nanamol Kumandi. Let's call our people and encourage them to take the voters' card. That is more important here. Nanamol Kumandi, na foyoko yakatre fa yakaitota. Our agents are all over. Na agent will be Dolman Judu Dinkirala, and Damantano Kafoko Jamanko UDP Dinkaro, our agents are there. And there are even some places, Melango, MPP, they don't even have agents. Because they cannot have agents. With all the money and so they don't have people to stand for them. So we are winning. We are the one in control. And what is more important, let's call our people, let's inform our people to inform their people, for them to also inform their people, and those people to inform their people, so let them go and take registration. I inform my friend inform his friend, and his friend inform his friend, and his friend inform his friend. At the end of it, we are going to have the largest number of votes. Foreigners cannot overpower us in our own country. We are more powerful than them. And we are doing our best to stop them, and we will stop them. We will stop them, and if they force themselves, we will take them to court. I went with the state to the court, and I win them. I won the case. Yakumba went with the state to the court, and she won the case. Many people, Mohamed Kande, went with the state to the court, and he won the case. Mohamed Kande tata kitiolale ay masakunda bute. 3 years ago tata kitiolale na masakunda bute. Yakumba jara tata kitiolale ay masakunda bute. Silvo Sonko ni UDP tata kitiolale Silvo Sonko UDP bute. So jang do kula be jang kiti bunda be senyar ni jang kiti bunda wala man chakan soto. They are independent body. Ko IEC mu independent nyame. Let's encourage them. And let's just keep pushing them. Ne push up to the hole. Ne push for a hole bala. But nga make some kind sophisticate. Ngane commodity for a fambulu. They push no ne push. But let's have limit. The limitations. Let's just have limitations. Because that will also encourage our people. That will also make sure that our people understand the reality on the ground. And let's stop giving false information. False information is not going to help us. We have to be realistic in whatever we are saying. I know our people are trying, and the information they are bringing, we still say thank you to them. They are all doing good. Everybody is doing good. But let's make sure whatever information, let it not be threatening. Whatever information we are giving to our people, supposed not to be threatening. Because at the end of it, it might discourage our people. Guys, ala baraka bake, brother Papa Sam, commando. Beya fale baraka bake, Mr. Malik Sise. Thanks to everybody. I think I have to stop here. Alaji Ibrahim Conte, Baraka Bake, Ablai Yirfa Jeng, Mustafa Manjang, Kanalan, Baraka Bake, everyone watching. Ala Baraka Bake, thanks for your time. Thanks for sharing everything. Kadi Kinta Jambe, Lamin Bojang, Lamin Conte, Daniel Jabi, Lamin Dabo, every one of you, ala baraka bake. Thanks for your time. Wali Junior, atemul kafindo atamata kana wala boy. Wali, we marada boy. Nyanda la men.
Ngalo batata le lafta ngalo batata mole fem fuji lafta ka londo dom na confirm le dal sirfo lafta fem fula mola ji. Bi ya confirm le keba sabale mola dunta masingo kono kuma la kato nya ron name le diala. Okay. So bara murta jile ina ta dundi machine kono ina ta korekindi so ni me problème so do ina kana say suwo kono de muruji bota damen ya fa explainer ba kale ba korekindi lale ke ba sabali ya confirm le programme moto bi ay tandi ka fala mo ya kala le
no nga men foyo yalong mol nyanta kanyin dula understand nde manga IEC la Stafford that is I have a lot of story and some for IEC la yunkuro na fenjama lonje because it's a field me along I know a little bit. I know it. Ndamong IEC agent, but in a system they are using a system me along I know that system very well. no system o ñul lonne
yeah
system o ñun kono ni même musa je me alon ka musa je ye kato men diala they will take that card and then in the system e ba kele system o ñun kono the system the moment ye kato ñun tamari bulu e ba make sure that the agent the party agent remember je wo kato ñun ala number be tarla the party agent bul and that card is not going to be issued to the person again e be kato ñun tala bulle and they will reissue him a new card. This is the law. But the system on you form go system on you because milakata ala fingerprint on you ala fingerprint cannot be duplicated. Ala fingerprint on you duplicate la no so can make
so the one say yalan to lambol mentality men lafta ka men foten lafta ka folo ko momo yalan ko e problem o soto ko min daga men highlight re ko ya confirm la ko momo e problem o soto itata ya jube tol man correct yemuru je the same sport kana bula je ka foko ate falin no la ko teke
no sa falin
no sabali ya confirm le biya e kolke
no ka falin
sabali ya confirm le bi
no ka falin ne
no imam tarna dia momo idan ko pour kamul confirm ka yita ni mol la ko ne problem o soto amanjere mur su yetu si surin so ko na tari je ka foko no mistake also but you have to go there back
thank you
iboto dame
thank you that's very important
pour moli long
thank you
if you have a problem ya falin dame muruje back ya yita ndila ka I have a problem my name is not correct ibaje lay tolo be topoto la but amanjere ya bulaje ka fo ngam mistake also donc je da mala clarify
no you are right I mean Wally you are right e quand même foten everybody but Wally men kuma ta jang Wally the biggest left ka men faale wala ñintu ko alla molu al mol en ko because look I have to be very realistic molu tonya mol findizala in the first second and the third days mol be findika I have to be very realistic to you here but same thing already sato dolu fonkol ka tara sirine e day because binta la do to melialon ko wolu I mean they were just sitting people are coming one by one okay but niya foy katande e kaji be fananko e be tariyarinde because I don't know some of the polling stations as we are speaking already wole more than 1000 voters card settle as we are Saturday more Saturday 500 as we are speaking you know well so by logo sign thing I mean these people are doing good. But nonke mol be findikane but let's still encourage our people na mol kumandi Wally ala mol kumandi ya foye mol findini ta karta woni andum mol fana melialon ko ela mol melialon ko ela wululal be sirum bun kono e bukat findino disable let's help our community na committee makoy for example e bota district government ala la district committee makoy moliye makoy fento e bayelo ko yela mol mutano ye bonino bun kono because MPP motol le bebulu ila motol ñin nafati la ñama but these are some of the things be mel ke kan although UDP la mol ba ke kan but they still need support kaje ko they them for ba ke kan but they need support ibaje ko they can keep doing it jandi ba for the 44 days on mo be kono our people can keep doing it katana mol no bun kono disable kate kama ila location to ke samba ka kato di la ke murunde back to their locations. This is something me along Alenda ka encourage le because this is what we need as we are.
Yeah, I understood very well. Yalong ko kilim beje la understand ndama la fi diam la je baake wala membe je wala mo konte we have start campaign for so long. Mol nte hani ajube mol be ngaji la mol pour for sendal ndama video clean sen group I'm constantly on the voters registration. Ni ajube kabo almost 10 days ago ndame voters registration jamala to because I know higher voter turnout is for good for the opposition. Nimo jama findita abira opposition lale. 800,000 votes like at 2016. So according to political science, there no politics, 900,000 or 1 million Gambians no findita is perfect. So nimol findita vote drong, that's good for us, to be honest. So all of drong, everybody must tell your family to come out and register. That's the only thing munkeno. Because ngalong katika for sensitization on yinde. Comme Gambian le mentality so be pare fana yalo bla fana bije blal bal manna falo talindi manna la ter kunda manna so mote fem fono la baake but to be honest ngam moy wala ko hanin na UDP musdol bije me alon ko be talindi dol be bakaw iko yekele moto leta ko me ya disable mel buka findi e kata ke e sika eta register after ye murundi je yo kele mo jama ya
Wally mero do la picho kile nan left o mero na celebrate mero nying yes left no mero celebrate yalo o mero wali ya that mero wo nyanta ko mbo celebrate la o mero you know wo mbem sadawu medayol dilo musola ni mero be fara fanyala wali mero nyimbe fara fanyala bar wali bot ni mero nying akile mu ketan ama akota register la mero nyim mankara amanta school amanta fenna ba atlem agentoti atlem agentoti ifulala be je mo fula sunguri ni woni ate mero sunguri ni ka wala kana wala ka saveroke ba ate commence atlem je NIA atlem detector je detector ala mbogala ka be fale ndole yalo the system we have yalo wala fleven diamul the system on la men soto
sabare
is 277
moto nganyim faram bi moto nganyim brief wala musolu ba bi game wala play bi musolu ba ni barin ko munaka UDP ko musolu jatayandi katambi kewul fongola wala kan jahali malaika même fo musolu ba bi ay fenke nyoleta MPP la regional chairman on todum atodum regional chairman West Coast West Coast regional Lamin Jata tede West Coast regional chairman fenke atumbe UDP le denata taji abi munoten unda nyang correct ay unda nyang nyol ni modole be murumurun kan
KMC ha
ay natal KMC kabra ay natal sirfo ay natal ay modo ni felente jang mul ka fa ika unda nyol ka ko aya delete akwali en sambali en sorong bare mbuka delete mul natal akwali en sambali par bilani UDP nga musolle mu jatoti ngo kewol be pipirta kewol be murta ko mon kedo findi do ko en ko al nyabala musol ka kenyamin atal lentol famalola atol kewol be ma hani boy nenyi muso diam kan moy mbaka video design sa ngase after kam fata ko ako eta soron sirifo musol findi ko ete soron sirifo bar to nyala mo de kam fata baro dun dala rango to nyala mo de ni musol yil bulay frère sa ta ko
yalo ebe menke ka yalo yalo malafika ila dilo dol la fo jang bari man dilo dol fo jang you know demander rek bay yalo it espere like ekata solo kono ekata mo la suko ka mo le ko ala to di nambe id card di la so ni mo le tol di la ekata al kalol ya eka attestation ni no li but e man you understand ko eka attestation di modo le fon la wol man
wol be fo got lan telle mo kay lon bi nga fo wol fo lan telle mo ko famle fana mo ko famle
so wala nangale wala nanga fale ko bugo nan kanyum fo ya namoje ajeba namoja NPP ko le ID card ni nay ila moyle gamen foyde NPP ko le ID card ni nay no wali no wali ila fan jamun dale wali bye fa sa
no animo fo so say mbedo ba ko kilen beje ndey ami MPP ko le moti ndey ami apota Senegal le mbela groupe lo kono yalon de kay scout le groupe ko no jenke surveillance jele so nga audio nyum bondi jele ay même fo wolum ko ako Macky Sall birata Senegal ako ni nga Macky Sall la ministre jube musolum dun dala bun kono molbe fintila ako bar ninna ta arama baro la jube ako tonya ta kul man tata ako kana UDP jedande be nyomu tala ñu UDP be lo ko men UDP kul muta nyame ako atol mantar politique la nado bi fana nga dimansa yal dimansa men sa feta ya jube ako aya atol le bunda Allah atol natalo bonde atol Ibrahima Dibanyul kala ko kuma albe loring albe diam kan ni ejentol ako way yu e itol la mol be mantar move kan bayon ko ñu la wasapol be dorine
wala
mero ko kadrin ko ako UDP ko la mol kare ka kadrin ko di la mol lan to la mol bu ka fendim to la ndol ka tay juwe la
wal ndol janga amanga ko men diam tude wal ndol we have ndol na agento we will go and meet with our agent na agento le ne for agento ma any trouble. No, I don't have trouble. Yes, I have a trouble. Not trouble mu unity. and if you can solve it, we solve it. If you cannot solve it, we try and make sure that we contact because UDPA more so the member ni ICT. So so we are here because Ndoleta Rojang is one of the Ndoleta Rojang NPP ta belo nola. Yala wal. Mutafula drone to new way Mutafula. And we are 5 generals. Until we are 5 generals. Left I understand the 5 generals. 5 generals. And monkey 2-star general, we are all 5-star general. Yalom 5-star general will look good at Abuka by go Malian general Naya Boom Abuka phone until we are all that. But Mobem Bulu I don't afford Dudu Kasajata. I will tell you from police station 1. But otherwise ever can down be fully. So one the system, the data we are having, or the information we are having, Ngaleko Bausen is already the president of this country, inshallah. 4th of December, but hey, Gambian call Nyaya Tele, Gambian call Mantara Sinola, Gambian call ya understand. Go Walia, personally. I have been into the politics. I have gone with Bausen. I have gone with Alama many places. We went. We are not doing any politics. Hey, ñun people politics. Ñun tay am affaire politique ñun fi lolu. Nga ko
okay, sirifo ko kilim bije lafta ka understand yalo kamune fo parti nakam kumi molla ko yalo ala fanam ko ku jawke molla konsan nyinga diamu molla choye kuma buru ha kuma nyin ay full alat la nato munna kayrolati aka asike no fanan wulo keta wato men wala mu wuli wato fonde o famu dam may be nyitande ka ko ya ko mun do
wali burnga wala stop la wuro nin chocho o manyana stop la and I keep telling you that al chocho al wuri al bojo anything else akeno alake pacho eke pucho eke but alam that is what we have to do do stop la ya almal allan chocho and yalo one thing that Gambia man president was saying Gambia tourist Gambia we have a tourist na tourist also science and the president yeah science was not there. Can we register no commander? We don't have a president. We only have a tourist minister.
To be honest with you, Namul, the executive, I was very happy. Like, the response was very perfect. Yeah, time moment is okay, and they listen to the. This is why I love this party. They listen to the supporters, the followers. Yeah, honestly, so
the executive understand that it will manque fenti, it a killer no fenti no, funding atara patio multa de coma. And what the executive they respect the party militants. The way the executive will always respect the party militants because party militants there. Wally, I am not an executive. I am not an executive. The monkey executive 40 monkey even a monkey one monkey even a monkey monkey. I'm not a member. I'm not an executive member of even a company Kafo. I want you to understand this. Even a company Kafo. But the executive understand ko the mission we are there to make sure to empower them. We are there to rescue the country. That's why they respect us. That's why they don't because you people are the key people, you people are the key makers. I left a man I left a man patio let it all let's give them the respect. Let's show them that we are sober. Let's show them the mission on the 4th of December. We want to make sure that the tourist minister born the State House because science thing from Jina Konakari is going for another because that is the weather. The weather in Jina is somehow changed. Dubai la weather falling. So as you know, from Jina is Dubai. So from Dubai maybe Tokyo Korenge, from Tokyo Philippines, from Philippines Russia, from Russia. Belgium, from Belgium, Spain. Because science, weather. Be registration local science. So the tourist minister science, because I feel Gine can give him some vote.
So from Jene, maybe about Kodo, you know, Kodo flus, Talaguna flus. So we need to let us be focused, you know. I know what I'm telling you. I know my Labulemu, the Kotolemu. And I do come Banku Busolem, the Koto, and Kotolemu. I'm on Kodo out on along. I'm on life and the mental Kodo out on along. You understand? So I'm coming for Alma understand Kotolemu, the Kotolemu is my brother. I am telling you, I respect him well. Because it's my brother. I respect him. But maybe you will look, remember caring and I want Gambian call you understand. Wally. So let's stand. I mean, let's make sure go from the Ellen Wally now for Kaleko. We are Dol Montasino la. Kela Junolo will live at home or Carton to Benyala. Ila Junolo Casino Warum and Casino Watol. The Lasino Water Talona. Because the more you are fighting them, the way they are fighting you. And in fact, there is a particular party leader, they are even Mumbela, Ikata Moro Lenoma, Moro, Priolena, Ikataka Banco la Moro la Cafuno, Purina, or party leader Yakafu Canalo, Trayakafukarma, the Jefola, Mbafola next program. Well, Lankala, the Israelite member is too powerful. There is a particular party leader, they are trying their utmost best pro party leader in Canalo. But that party leader is a person, up to his dead body. Nothing can stop him not to stand as a presidential candidate because Ala Fijo Bolabala. But so this is what they because right now. Ninjina kona kita wala mbukal fika beef unkale kum ni wala ndakale kwa tourism da mal ndaka da world. Tourism na mata da wala. Even in Naburo you know na uncle Amad Ba na uncle me alon ko amabo to maje ngala ja afindi dina kona kede ay president benu dina kona kede ay ala fonko benu you know ala agento benu ala tourism benu dina kona kede. This is you never carry. If you don't know, let me tell you this. Itara mena wolo nyundo kata you know ima ke itara ye pruge ke mit. Ko no nyu okay ko no mo alba ko na ke ko no nyu hey membe ke ratul malo alin kala el wale mo laf ka diam. But na bela long I have it in my book. They are desperate. They are desperate. Saying thing Gambia funding kewlu bo lo confusion di kan kadaka football sawoli ka jasi sol sawoli ka mol sindi kodal kono ke confusion di ke jigindi kodola ko bi ka jiko doron yibe fla wolela jigi fenta ma fala jigi ken sawol ko di molla say mol ka foyelo ko Mr. Jiki ka jigi ken sawol ko di molla and so while you know let's keep it up, let's not give them time. Let's inform our people. Let's push it. Let's push it.
Keep it up,
Thank you, Wally. Thank you. Guys, I'll be because tomorrow we have to. I have to wake up early morning. You know, and I'll be driving too. So I'll be because no one Almantankala, you know. Gonna driving Lambesino. So also at least I can have some few hours. Sana kudu you know, yalan to no more kunong quality. Going to be that two book sign guys, so that's why all you know, when that's why all my stuff food is yeah. And sign nyakas dollar, you know. Sana kunong goal. So sign na dolobula baju kunong goal ninjara kunong goal level. Na dolobula jara kunang gold nimbara kunang na dolobula bayo kunang gold ninjara kunang gold na dolobula ole sain dolu tasabayo mola bara tasabayo cruise. So I want to be with us, enjoy the show, share the show. If you have not shared it, share the show. If you have not recorded to give the information to all the people, please do that. Try and share the show, and then we move on. I'll be better. Let's keep it up. And then Mama Jale for the